Hello everyone! I am your teacher April and welcome to my science vlog. Today we will gonna learn about work using constant force. Have you ever pushed a chair, lifted a bug, or pulled a door? If yes, then you've already done work. But in science, work has very specific meaning. Let's find what it really means. What is work? In science, work is done when a force moves an object over a distance. So, for work to happen, we need two things. First, a force. Second, a movement or a displacement. So, if you push a wall and doesn't move, so no movement is equals to no work. But if you push a box and it moves, force plus distance is equals to work is done. The formula for work is W is equals to F times D, where the W stands for work, measure in joule, F stands for force, and measure in Newton. The letter D stands for distance and measure in meter. This formula applies when the force is constant and in the same direction as motion. Now, I have here an example problem about work using constant force. So, imagine a student pushes a box with a force of 10 Newton, so the box moves 5 centimeters. So, first we will identify the given formula in the problem. So, first is the force, which is 10 Newton, and the distance, which is 5 meter. So next is we will determine what is being asked in the problem. So the being asked in the problem is the work done or the work. So to solve the work, we will use the formula which is work is equals to force times distance. So now we will substitute the given values into the formula. So work is equals to force, which is 10 Newton, and the distance, which is 5 meter. So we will multiply the 10 Newton into the 5 meter. So 10 times 5 is equals to 50 joule. So the work done is 50 joule. Again, work is done when a force causes an object to move over a distance. Works depend on its direction. If force and movement are in the same direction, it's called positive work. If opposite direction, it's called negative work. But if no movement, it's called zero work. Example, carrying a bag while walking horizontally. So force is upward, movement is forward. So no work is done in the direction of the motion. Let's connect this to real life. Pushing a shopping cart, lifting book, and pushing luggage. All of this involve constant force and motion. So the work is done. Alright everyone, let's check if you really understood the lesson. Here's a quick problem for you to solve. So a person applies a force of 20 newtons to move an object 2 meters. Now, the question is, what is the work done? So we will use the formula for work. W is equals to F times D, where the W is work and F is force, the D is the distance. So, we will substitute the given values. W is equals to 20 times 2. Before I show you the answer, pause the video first and try solving it in your own. Are you done? Let's check your answer. So, the work is done is 40 joules. Great job if you got the correct answer. And that's it. Today, we learned that work happens when force moves an object. The formula is W is equals to F times D. Work is measured in joules. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your answer below. See you in the next science vlog. Bye-bye!